The Department of Meteorology says that showers can be expected in the north, north central and over provinces today as well. Now the department points out that strong winds can also be experienced with the rains. Meanwhile, several houses in the Hatton area were damaged due to the strong winds that blew across the area last night.
Strong winds which were experienced in the Wilfredpur area in Hatton last night caused damage to houses. The roofs of the houses were also blown away. Meanwhile, a tree had fallen onto the road leading to the Sri Pada Navodaya College in Hatton. Due to the heavy showers experienced in the Ampara district, spill gates of several tanks have been opened. A correspondent said that the spill gates of the Kondua Tuana tank in Hatton has been opened in 2 places. As a result of this, vehicular movement along the Inginiagala road in Ampara was hampered. The spill gates of the tanks were opened this morning. The Ampara tank has also reached spill level.